my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Firefly, the new AI image generator tool from Adobe. This tool is currently in beta and you'll need an invitation to access it. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to request access, understand basic prompts, explore different image types, styles, and additional features. Then, we'll generate some anime art, and finally, try out the text effect generator. So, let's get started. Register. To use Adobe Firefly, you'll need to request access. Go to firefly.adobe.com, click the Request Access button, and enter your details. Make sure you have an Adobe ID with the same email address you used to register. In my experience, it took 4 business days to receive the invitation. Once you've received the invitation email, go to firefly.adobe.com and log in with your Adobe ID. Adobe Firefly is more than just an AI image generator. It's a comprehensive image editing software with features like text-to-image generator, text effect generator, and more. You can access the community gallery to learn from other users' prompts. Just go to the Adobe Firefly dashboard and click the Generate button. Enter your prompt or use the ones provided in this tutorial links in the video description. Click Generate to start the process. You can change the aspect ratio, content type, and other parameters. Make sure you include detailed information like objects, themes, and times. To enhance your image results, consider including additional parameters in your prompt, such as photography techniques, camera, lens, and specific details about the objects you want to add. We'll explore the differences between these options. As you can see, art type returns painting-like images. You can download your images by clicking the download button in the top right corner. Graphic images tend to resemble digital art styles. None and photo types look more natural. Adobe Firefly's image generator currently has 63 styles. Let's see how they affect our image results. To fine-tune our results, Adobe Firefly provides 6 color tone options, 5 lighting styles, and 7 composition options. Let's see how they impact our image results. image variations by clicking the Show Similar button in the top left corner of the image results. Additionally, you can use a specific anime. Now, let's generate anime art with Adobe Firefly's AI. Text effects. Another available feature is the text effect generator. I'll show you how to use this tool. Click Generate on the text effect tool, enter your text in the left input box, and your custom text in the right input box. Click Generate to start the process. Adobe Firefly will provide 4 styles for each prompt. You can also use their built-in sample effects. Adobe has taken AI image generation to the next level, making it user-friendly so anyone can easily understand and use its features. As this is a beta version, improvements are needed. Do you think this tool will remain free forever? Please share your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support me. See you in my next AI tutorial video.